If Madam Pepper Africa never dance for you, you don't say I never start. You understand? I must dance for you now. Because I want me you happy. As per good news mama where I be, and they always give you good news from the goodness in my heart. You understand now? You see this promo matter, eh? I carry am for head. So make you no blame me. No be my fault. Because anything wey good, I no dey fit keep am to myself. I must share am. And I make I dey share this ogbonge Christmas promo with you. Say if you get just one plot of new Banana Highland from us in Mercy Divine Properties Limited, you are going home with one full 50 kg of bag of rice, one full basket of hamper, carton of Indomie, and guess what? Gallon of vegetable oil. Ha! For inside October now we start this camp promo. Ha! And now only our company, Mercy Divine Properties Limited, now you go fit give discount promo. For discount time wey we dey. Applause for us, Jare. Applause. Yes, so the thing wey you suppose do to get all this full package, now just to call Madam Pepper Africa on 090-3429-6519. If you call me, book inspection. I carry you go inspection. After inspection, you choose the land where you want. You pay your money. One plot is 7 million naira. For inside new Banana Highland, if you want 3, 5, 10, 20, 50, we dey capable. We go run am. We dey for you. You understand? And then if you want service estate wey dey inside new Banana Highland, that one plot is 12 million naira. The good thing about our land is say the thing dey increase in value very, very fast within a short period of time. Money just dey enter inside, dey enter, and so people dey rush, dey buy am like this. So I want me you partake. You understand? Ha! I dey here for you, oh, because if no be you, now who I be now? I no be anybody now because of you. You understand? Now you dey make me dey shine. I'm Baba God. You understand me now? So I want me you partake for the blessings and glory and testimony and miracle wey dey happen for here. Quickly call Madam Pepper Africa so that you can partake and have all this Christmas package. Your Christmas don set and Christmas is already sent in here. It's scenting so well. Stew they smell, chicken they smell, fried turkey they smell. Quickly call me. And the number again is 090-3429-6519. Madam Pepper Africa, they wait for you.